Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the unveiling of the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 gaming laptop, a powerhouse that's pushing the very limits of what can fit in a 13-inch chassis. We've become so accustomed to compromise when it comes to gaming on the go, sacrificing style for substance or vice versa. But today, ASUS has shattered that notion, marrying breathtaking visuals, lightning-fast performance, and an unprecedented level of portability, all in an innovative two-in-one design. The question is, what would you do if you could play like you're at home anywhere you roam? That's exactly what the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 promises to deliver. We live in an age where the concept of work is no longer just confined to a 9-to-5 desk job, and the way we choose to create, entertain, or stay productive is constantly shifting. With a market saturated by bulky gaming laptops and uninspired ultrabooks, there was a gaping void in the middle ground. That's until the ROG Flow Z13 2025 burst onto the scene with an audacious proposition. What if we told you we can give you the raw gaming power and portability of a handheld console in a 13-inch laptop, paired with the creative freedom of a two-in-one device? Let's put aside the marketing hype for now and dive straight to the unboxing experience. The very first thing I noticed when I unwrapped the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 was its striking aluminum and magnesium alloy construction. This premium build quality radiates a sense of robustness, exuding an aura of quality that's rare in this segment. You can feel the solid weight and the precision cut of every seam, every joint that reinforces our confidence in the laptop's ability to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty gaming or on-the-go work. As you lift it, the sheer balance is impressive, no doubt the result of carefully considered ergonomics.